I'm seeing double.
Good morning, y'all. It's LA Appliance Guy. I'm deep in a GE with the purple wire of death, but we got to get some washers and dryers going. So I got to figure out what I can get hooked up and get going because we out. But about to fix a purple wire and we'll grab one to check. Please do not overload. Yeah, right. Let's get this Kenmore in here. Door switch is good. Looks like there's a little gap in there. It might be all that's wrong with it. Maybe some rollers. All right, what's you guys' guess besides rollers? Look like we have bad rollers. Think it's gonna work? Ooh, shot out a little bit of beach sand. Let's see if we got any heat. Oh yeah. Yeah, she's heating up good. I bet you that's only our whole problem's just those rollers. Look at the gap. Start catching clothes back there. Yep. Let's tear into it and get it going. Ooh, Kenmore 500 series. Kenmore 500 series.
I'm seeing double.
Let's see what it does. What? We need a handle. This one is not heating. Wait, yeah it is. Both of them heating. Well, let's just tear into them. We know that one needs rollers. This one needs a handle. Pull the filter out. One. Oh, you almost lost that one. These Kenmores are made by Whirlpool. They've been making these things similar or the same for almost 30 years. So, grab a hold to it. Nope. Can't get it yet. There we go. The felt looks like it's actually been replaced before. You can see the glue right there, and that's much thicker than the original. So somebody tried to fix it by putting a seal on, but probably didn't change the rollers. Look at the roller doo-doo. Roller doo-doo stuck on the drum. 1 5/16, 1 5/16. So I kind of messed up here and I didn't get a shot of it, so rerun. 5/16 here, doo-doo. 5/16 here, doo-doo. Door switch here, boo-boo. Lift it off your tallywhackers. Bam, bam. And there's your pulley. Reach in there, pull the pulley to the right. Pull the belt off. Bam. And that's your tallywhacker right, tallywhacker left. They clip in right there and over there. Grab your drum. Yeah, buddy, look at that. I think they got a flat tire. Shoot. Yep. There's even roller doo-doo coming off of this one. And lots of hair and treasure. Woo, girl. All right. So we'll clean this baby out and put some rollers on. That one's kicking butt. Maybe it just needs a door handle. Alrighty, you know it, off to the parts dungeon, baby. The parts dungeon. Ooh. Whoa. We got a box of old rollers here. This is actually one of them. Maybe we can clean that other one up and get a new one on that flat tire side. Get her back going. 1 5/16 right here. Look at triangle keeper. If we can get it off without breaking it. Goodness gracious. Wow. Man, look at all that hair. That's gross. Did I say now we can test our crap? Now we can test our crap. This is the retainer. Good Lord. Hairy folks. Some of this stuff cleaned up, we can save this one. If these shafts are messed up, it can be quite expensive to fix them, so we'll try and clean them up. These shafts can be $50 a piece in some instances, but I've been known to take them loose and rotate them 180 degrees and get some more life out of them. These look pretty good. All right. Put that one back on. That's more better. Put that one on. Oh, why ain't you going on? Maybe it is boogered up. Maybe it's not right. Oh, there it goes. It'll burn in. All right, retainer on this side. I'm gonna have to find another one on this side because this one's pretty much gone. Boop, boop. Flat tire. Ba-boom. There we go. Pretty good. Put the bracket back on and the retainer. Bam. And we'll put that 5/16 right there. If I can find it. Oh, there it is. Alrighty, now we got a quick job for R2-D2. A quick cleanup from DUEL R2-D2. And we're back spotless, like it was brand new. Alrighty, thank you, R2. Alright, go ahead and clip your idler pulley down in there. Grab your drum merino. Always spin it to make sure that the lip of the seal isn't like that. You don't want it to be pinching, you want it to be out. Okay, come downhill, grab your pulley, feed the belt through and over to the motor. Kind of hard to do without blocking the shot, but you can see it comes down and goes around. All right, let's try this again. 1 and 2. forget your door switch. Come on. Come on. Come on.
10 minutes later.
Come on. Pow. Last two. Alrighty, since this one is still running over here, we better go ahead and take this back off with all that hair and lint and make sure it's not all nasty. So we might as well take the back off, get in there and make sure there's not a big old clump of lint back there. So just a couple of 1/4-inch screws and the panel comes off. 4 more 1/4-inch screws at the bottom, and that's how you get into this little lint trap down there where the lint screen slides down in. Uh-oh, and look what popped out of there. It looks like the top of a hanger. That could have got into the blower and started making a heck of a racket. Okay, all that looked good. We'll button it back up, then put the back on, and we're back in business. Ooh, this one's gonna need a Picasso. Just zipping the back panel back on here. Nothing really fancy, just a couple more 1/4-inch screws. Zip, 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 zipperoo. So, that was a quick roller fix on this one. It was actually a gift, and they told me that it was grabbing clothes and putting marks on the clothes, so that's what I kind of figured. It was that roller or the rear seal. That one we bought. Maybe it just needs a handle. All right, let's see what it does. Meow. Oh, that sounds good. Let's look at the seal in the back. Way more better. So this is the handle, but you do not want to just slam this thing in because this thing is so flimsy. You want to go ahead and take the door apart with these Phillips there and there so you can get some pressure on the backside. Let's do it. So, clip it in and snap it in. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh. I think we're good. All right, so just like the other one, 2 screws in the top, pop the top, 2 5/16 in the front, and the door switch, and we're in there. We'll let R2-D2 do his thing, and then we'll clean them up. We'll put a Picasso on that one, and we're in business. Ooh, wait a minute. Look at this. Very clogged. I have to clean that out. Might as well let R2-D2 go ahead and do a little cleaning up, get all that lint out of the motor. We'll have to take that chute off the back of this one and clean it out just like the other one. Grab the drum and belt and slide it right on in, but wait a minute. New belt. 341, 241. Same one they've been using for 30 plus years. 92-inch faux rib. Putting the belt back on is very simple. You just saw it on the other Kenmore. You pinch it, slip it through the pulley, and then around the motor pulley. Just make sure that the grooves go down onto the drum and that it does not twist on you. Catch the little tallywhackers on the front, then 2 5/16 and the door switch, and you're in business. Okay, so I'm not going to put the 2 screws in the top here because we're going to take this off and clean out that chute. It goes all the way to the bottom. You saw us take it off at the bottom over there. Well, we're going to take the whole thing out.
Double time Kenmores. Seeing double.
Well, with the back off, you just take the 4 quarters, just like the other one, off of that rear chute. Pull it off. That way we can clean it out and get it just like new, baby.
What you think? What you think? Oh, yeah. It's not my style.
Wow, it's like deja vu. Everything coming off and going back together just like the last one. I'm cross-eyed. Finish up with the top 2. Kenmore double. Bam, bam. 500 auto moisture sensing. Whatever. All right, let's knock this down and we'll put a Picasso on there.
Alright, sand in the jar, sand in the jar, sand in the jar. Oh, she's gonna be pretty. I don't know why I call it a Picasso. Picasso is more abstract, I think.
Oh no, don't get my dryer wet. Just knocking out a couple of dryers. Yeah. Right there. But we got our top up. We hit our tallywhackers, rolled our headboard back. Now we need to cover this so we can Picasso this bad boy. Okay, so this one's a little wet. Maybe I should let it drip dry. Or just plug it on in. It might shoot some fire. Throwing up a little bit. So yeah, this crap right here, it'll do the job. It'll cover it, but the Rust-Oleum appliance epoxy is way better. But here we go. Give it a little skeet skeet. Oh, it's still wet. Dang. Oh man, look at that. Ooh, this stuff sucks. Ooh, girl, look at that shine. Shine to it, baby. All right, y'all. So that was a quick dryer fix on double Kenmore 500 moisture sensor, auto moisture sensing. That one needed a handle and a belt, and this one needed a roller and a good clean out and a Picasso. So that's the question. We've made it all the way through the video, and it's keyword time. If you want to prove it, which one would you take? That's the keyword. Old splotchy over here or Picasso? What's your take? Give it a good look. This one's got a little bit of blue stainage. Yeah, they both got some blue stainage. But look at the top of the Picasso. The top of old Splotchy. What you think? Leave it in the comments. Splotchy or Picasso? Thank y'all for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. We're coming up on 2 grand quickly, baby. Y'all rock. Have a great day. And speaking of 2,000 subscribers, I gotta give a thanks and a shout out to Retire on Dividends. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. All the love. I might not deserve it, but I really appreciate it. So if you like high yield investing and options and all that good stuff in the stock market, he has spectacular nerdy math spreadsheet stuff. So good. Go check out Retire on Dividends. And there's a new YouTuber out. I think he's got like 480, close to 500 subscribers. Patriot Defense Company. Lord knows we need more Second Amendment love on YouTube, because some people will say guns are controversial. Not down here in the South. Guns are just guns. You live with them. And it's like a fire extinguisher. It's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. You can't carry around a fireman or a police officer. But yeah, go check them out. Retire on Dividends and Patriot Defense Company. Let's get him up to 1,000. Let's go. Y'all have a good day. Guess what? Splotchy's here. Picasso's gone.
I'm seeing double, man.
Thank y'all for watching. Have a great day.